Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Today we are going to discuss about the price analysis of Automata network, and the main thing here, I wanted to do the analysis because of 200% increase in the volume. This is a good news. Always when there is a increase in the volume and the one price is going up, it means increase in volume is in accordance with the price, so it is a bullish move. So let's head over to trading view. This is the trading view, and I have already drawn all the levels because I now wanted to improve the level of analysis because I have done too much of basic stuff. Now I want to improve the stuff a bit. So, and these are the things I have already drawn and written for you guys, so you guys can easily understand the phases of the market. So as well, we're gonna analyze the price prediction of ATA coin or any other coin, and so we also gonna work on these levels, work on these phases of the market, so you can also learn and also educate yourself. So I'm gonna do this stuff in future videos. So let's start the video. Here you can see right now the price is at this area. We're gonna talk about that later. But first I want to first go through all these phases. First off, here you can see the price went up and down due to the day of listing. It happens most of the time when the price is listed on any exchange. It typically do the pump and dump. Okay, second phase, as I have already told you, when there is a pump, it means a lot of buyers buy. Okay, then the next candles usually are the sell-off candles, and here you can see this was the phase 2. Third phase is this one. This green candle, just take a look at this green candle. This green candle was a retest of the phase. Okay, you can see it was a phase, it was a level, resistance level, and it got rejected. It shows that the price is now wants to stay below this level here, and you can see this was the resistance and it got rejected. So this was the phase 3 candle. Now the phase 4 started after getting rejected, was the distribution phase. Okay, distribution means another phase, another form of the sell-off. So it is the second form here, but the distribution during the distribution, the momentum is small as compared to the sell-off. As I have told you in my previous video about the distribution phase, during the distribution phase you're gonna see small red candles. Here the sell-off phase, during the sell-off phase there are large volume momentum candles, means large sell-off, means large selling pressure. Okay, here on the distribution phase you can see here you can see 1, 2, 3, only 3 candles, but with a large momentum. Okay, here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Okay, but with the small selling pressure. So small selling pressure, it means a distribution phase. So right after the distribution phase 4, we went into the accumulation phase or the ranging market, you can say here. And this is the period where you want to accumulate, where you want to buy as much as you can for the day of the breakout. Okay, this is the phase. So mostly I tell my fans, if you want to do the scalping, do the scalping right after the sell-off rejection. Okay, here at sell-off rejection, if you want to do the scalp here. Okay, this is the sell-off area, but you can't know because of the new coin. You don't know where is the sell-off region gonna take place. But here is the thing, this is the way to scalp, but I will let you know more in the future, the more probable trades here. But for those who wants to trade who wants to hold for the swing, or who wants to do the long-term benefits, they want to accumulate coin, here is the phase. Okay, this was the accumulation phase, and you can see the price stayed in. You can see here very small momentum candles, very small momentum candles. Here you only take positions and just hold. This is the place to hold. Okay, and what happened after that? Phase 6 breakout candle. You see we had a breakout of approximately 200% breakout. So someone who have bought at this area would have got almost 200% return. And now we are in the phase of again making after the breakout. You see we usually have some sort of distribution and sell-off, and now you can see here the volume is starting to down here. But now the new candle, can see, which is right now. If we take a look at the current situation, okay, this is the candle, green candle, and these are the levels. You can see it on the right side, these are the daily levels. Okay, this dotted line shows the 4-hour candle, and you can see this is the swing high candle on the top side, this is a swing high candle, this is a swing low candle. You can see here I have made up a dotted line here. You can see this is a symmetrical triangle. Okay, symmetrical triangle. And if I show you the symmetrical triangle pattern, you can see here, just take a look at yourself. We can see, you don't have to remember any pattern, just you have to remember the touches. Okay, touches from the either side. Okay, you can see here we got 1 2 3 3 bottoms. Okay, and from 1 2 3 3 tops. Okay, so after 3 tops, you have to look for the last one rejection. Okay, last rejection here. In this case it was the last rejection from the top side. So on the 4th attempt here, it has to break down, so it break down here. Now if you take a look at this candle, you can see we got 1 2 3 3 bottoms, 1 2, and now on the 3rd attempt it is gonna break. If it, for example, if it got rejected from there, then we could have the next momentum towards the downside. So you don't have to remember all the patterns, you all have to remember about the how many times the price got rejected from either side, either from top side or either from bottom side. So you have to keep that in your mind. Now in this case, you can see we got rejection from the one side, one. Okay, we got rejection two side from the top side. Okay, now on the bottom side we can see we got rejection 1 here, we got rejection 2 here, we got rejections 3 here. So I think I am gonna count this as well. So 3 tops, 3 bottoms here. You can see 1 2 3 1 2, and now 4th. You can see 4th attempt was on the upside. Now 4th attempt should be at this area. Okay, it should be around the 1.31. so if we got strong volume from the downside, okay, if we see a strong volume with a red candle, then we are gonna break this level. Okay, and that would be the price area of then the price is gonna stay around 1.15. Okay, this is a 4-hour spot, and if we break out of this level 1.31, then we're gonna stay at the 1.15 level. Okay, this is the spot. But if we see any rejection from this side, then the price is surely gonna break out, and it's gonna break out, and we're gonna test the level of 1.561 again, but it's gonna break out that level, and then the price is gonna test 1.8381. this is the scenario. Now if the price breaks above 1.83, then we're gonna have a new swing high. It should be somewhere around here. Let me draw the Fibonacci level for you guys so we can analyze where the price could land. Now you can see here, you can see this is the Fibonacci level right on 61 point here. You can see 61.80 golden pocket. It is the number. Okay, it is a very important number, and you can see here the price went up to 61%. Okay, now the next target, if we keep that in mind, then next 61.81 is around this area. It is around $3. So here if we break above this one, okay, 2.9 or $3 we can say. So it depends. If we get a rejection from here, how we're gonna reach the $3 mark? It depends. Let me show you. If we got a rejection from the downside 1.3, okay, and then the price has to move above 1.56, and it has to test the level of 1.83, and then we need to accumulate at 1.56. Then with a strong volume, with a, you can say a strong volume, we can push and break out this level. Okay, and then the price has to make a strong move towards this area, then it has to reject again from the top side, then we can accumulate, and then the price is gonna move towards the $3. So that is the way to reach the $3. Okay, and that is how the price usually moves. It does not move in one day. Yeah, it can happen, but that should be a way, too strong volume. It requires a too large volume, then the price can reach $3. Otherwise, if we follow the typical pattern, the pattern should be like this one, which I have just mentioned you. So this is the detailed analysis, okay, of the Automata coin. If you want to look for the price $3, it is that way. On the either side, if we break below 1.31, then the price is going to stay at 1.1511. okay, So if you have any questions regarding the analysis or anything you want to know, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.